Hello friends, welcome to this video session. Here we are discussing about the polar form of a complex number. As we learn that if z is a complex number, we express z in the form z is equals to x plus iy, and its corresponding represent a point in the Argand plane as p, and we are using order pairs x, y, which is the Cartesian form. So first let us take a point P here, and if we draw two axes, one is horizontal, other is vertical. In our previous video we have learned this is our real axis and this is our imaginary axis. Any point P, x, y, and which corresponds to the point z is equal to x plus iy. So to locate this point P, x, y, this is our origin. So you have to start the counting from origin and move this way x, and then you have to move this way y units, and this is x unit. Now to locate the point in other way, we can move x, and then if we take this length and if you turn, so we get this angle. We write this angle as theta. This is y and this is x. Then this is called OP is equals to R, and angle PO, if you name it Q is equals to theta. Here O is called pole or origin, and fixed line is called initial line, that is OQ. And OP is called terminal line. Length of OP is equals to R, and POQ, or you can say XOP, is called theta. Then order pair R, theta is called polar coordinates. Or polar form. Okay, now we'll discuss the polar form of a complex number. Now, if represents the non-zero z is equals to x plus iy, then P represent the order pair x, as a point in the plane that we have learned. Now in this case, if we consider this triangle POQ, length of OQ is equals to x, and length of PQ equals to y. OP is equals to R. Now we are getting a relation in triangle POQ, that is cos theta equals to x by R. Therefore, x is equals to R cos theta. Similarly, sin theta is equals to y by R. So, y is equals to R sin theta. Now, from these two relations, we can write z is equals to x plus iy, replace x by R cos theta. Then y by R sin theta, and taking R common, if we write in this form, cos theta plus I sin theta. So we got z is equals to R cos theta plus I sin theta, where R is equals to mod z is equals to root over x square plus y square and tan theta is equals to y by x. So the angle theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So this z is equals to R cos theta plus I sin theta is called polar form of a complex number. Here R is called modulus of complex number z. The angle theta which satisfies the relation tan inverse y by x is called argument. Or amplitude. In short form, it is ARG Z or AMP Z. So R equals to root over x square plus y square and theta. The amplitude theta has infinite number of values. Differing by 2 pi. As we know, cos theta, the value of cos theta and cos of 2n pi plus minus have the same value, and cos sin theta, they are periodic function. The values are repeated. The periodicity of 2 pi. Now, one of the values of theta which satisfies minus pi radian So one of the values of theta which satisfies minus pi to theta and pi to theta, that is, this is x. So one of the values of theta which satisfy this is called principal value. Theta or argument z or amplitude z, and we denote this one it is denoted by small a RG or small a amplitude. So here we are using capital A, here we are using small a. Identify this angle when the angle is between minus pi to pi. Cap A amplitude Z equals to small a amplitude Z plus minus 2n pi, where n is equals to 0 plus minus 1 unless otherwise mentioned by amplitude or argument of a complex number remain the principal value amplitude of 0 plus 0 I is not defined. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.